In this video, let's talk about the way that you can fix YouTube copyright claim issue. So if you have got a copyright claim inside of one of your videos inside of YouTube, then what you can do is just quickly tap on the see all details to exactly know which part of your video has got a copyright claim. So similar to this, you'll be able to see which part of the video has copyright claim, exactly who is the content owner and who reported the video. What you can also do is, if you think that the video is not copyrighted and you think that you own the videos, then you can easily dispute it and then easily claim back the videos. So you'll be able to see the section called dispute right here. You can just tap on this option and dispute the whatever copyright claim the other person has sent you. So by doing these couple of steps, you should be able to dispute it, and if you rightfully do own the content, you should be able to claim the content back. But however, if it is not your content and the claim is rightfully done, what you can do is cut out some part of the video which has the copyright claim, or you can also try muting or replacing the song that has the copyright claim on it. So once you do these couple of steps, you'll be able to fix the copyright claim issue inside of your YouTube account.